Been a long time since I used one of these machines, and I forget how to get one of these out. I'm gonna have to go get a tool to twist it out. So I got myself a pair of needle nose pliers. I remember all I had to do was just twist. Oh boy, now I'm in trouble. I want to see what's down there. I am going to put an endoscope. I turn it on by a long press and I forget how to get these two lights to come on. So I know how to get the light to come on. It's there. There's 3 levels of light. I get it to the camera that I need it to go on. Here. Look at all that gunk, man. Much better. Here I am, right there where I need to see at. Do our best to run it down and go. Look at that. You needed to have water to go. Uh-oh, what happened? Look at that clog right there. This is just not flexible enough to go where I need it to go, but at least I get to see some of the work I've done, and I lost a piece definitely in there, and I seen where it went. So what I'm going to go do now is I'm going to go get my pressure washer, and I'm going to clean this up by forcing some water down. Remember the old school trick, bend the hose. Put the hose down, just let it run. At that amount of force will push anything through the pipes. Well, there goes the air. Have a second person with you so they could basically, shut that faucet. Heck, I don't even have to hold it. It's doing a good job. I'm gonna go shut off. All right, job well done. Time to wrap things up and go take care of other business. I hope your drane wasn't as bad as this one. You couldn't see anywhere past that trap with the endoscope. At least we gave it a shot. I hope you enjoyed the Sony ZV-1F at its best.